Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not forward from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And people, honestly, I don't know what's going on with our girl Jada Kingdom. You feel what I'm saying? Because honestly, I ain't got no ill feelings towards her. I just, we have to keep some chicks grounded. But nevertheless, people, Twinkle is missing, I think that's what she called herself, Twinkle or Twinkie. She's missing, you know what I mean? She deleted her Instagram page. Um, it was brought to me at my attention by the crocodile mother, you feel what I'm saying? And yeah, just yesterday or 2 days ago, she just got her teeth done, and I got those pictures, and the image of her page being deactivated. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on with her, we reported that her boyfriend, you feel what I'm saying, broken up with her and all of these things, you see me? Also, I don't know what going on with Jiggy and Mineral Boss, Uh, but he said that his life is in danger and this and that, and he calls, her out and I expected because, she is, a CEO. She responded and, sent ice after him, basically. I guess she has some kind of papers that she can, you know, take where I support for people for staying in America, and that's what she's doing to him. So we'll get to the documents and we'll get to what these two people have to say. But first, let's get to Jada Kingdom. Like I said, you can tell she got her teeth done by her bright smile. You feel what I'm saying? Look at the picture at the beginning of the video to see her teeth, and look at her teeth now, and it looks good. It fit her. Unlike some toothless cookie monster out there, but let's not talk about that. Let's talk about what you see on the screen next to her clean white teeth. You see Jada Kingdom Instagram page. And it says users not found. You feel me? You see no post. You see no followers, and you don't see her following nobody. And I just checked again tonight. Again after I'm doing this live right now. You see me? And it's nowhere to be found. You feel what I'm saying? So I don't know if she's rebranding, because she and her management is in some entanglements. You see what I'm saying? Or she's just starting out fresh because the pandemic is over. And me don't know people, but I'm just saying, I want to put in the comment section if anything went on earlier and that might have caused Jada to delete her page, because I don't really be watching her lives like that, so I don't know if somebody said something to her, because she has a trouble past. You feel what I'm saying? And she said she's not too stable in the head. She has bipolar. So like I said, people, I don't know if this is personal mental issues, people bothering her, or she's just doing some rebranding. I'm just the messenger letting you know that Jada page is gone. Okay, now let's hear what Jiggy has to say about Mineral Boss, about his life and children's life and wife being in danger and things. And
yeah, first and foremost, this is Jiggy Unks. When you see the face, you don't know the voice. But listen to me. This is not a small announcement, it's a big one. I want you to listen me cleanly and take me serious, people. It's not a joke thing. Tawana Banton, Tawana Jones, TT, Mineral Boss, MBR Record, Mama T, get this. Anybody will see this, I want to share the live, I'll share the video. Yeah. Right now, me fear for my life, me live for my kids them and my family them. And me don't want she put out a hit for me like how she do Mineral Boss at Jamaica. People, share the video you want to see. This is Jiggy Unks, TT, MBR Record, Mama T. She live in Florida and me fear for my life. Me love my mother, me love me picking them, and me take care of them. Me not trouble nobody. So you see the video will leak, it's not me, she post it. Because she have a problem with me, with my dick, my hood, or me can fuck girl hard. Listen, it's not a joke thing, take it serious. I want to share that video. Yeah? In the name of Jesus, me left it to you. Out.
He also said, if anything, or no, God forbid anything happens to me, please report Tawana Banton, Tawana Jones, TT, MBR, Mineral Boss, or Muma T. And those are the names she goes by. I fear for my life. And this serious hashtag please share your bumble and no, I'm joking with you. No, people. I gotta tell you what me feel about this woman at the end of this. But like I said, this is all allegedly, and she has responded to this. You feel what I'm saying?
Yes, people. Good night. It's me, T, Mama T, Mineral Boss, Tawana Bantan Jones, Tawana Bantan, whatever, all the names them where them give, this is me. Anyways, I'm on here to talk about a video that's circulating by Jiggy Unks, Nicholas, aka Cornelius Antradine Lynch. Here's the story. The moral in this story is when you help people, you not to help people. Because when you help people, them take it to a next level. Them learn fit. Them.
Yes, and she also put this in writing. She said, Jiggy, carry your statement go to police and not Facebook. Not me want you is ICE. Turn in yourself. You have no status of the United States of America no more. When you dig one hole, dig two. This caused the excitement. Only I can appeal. This and I'm not ungrateful, shaking my help people, and this is your thanks. And this was the second document. You see me, I say, people, honestly, I don't really like this lady, because we know these people would do anything for promoting a song, all this could be some publicity stunt between them two. You see me, I say, I mean, the only time you get introduced to this lady is when she and Black Rhino did cook up a plan for assassinate my character. You feel I'm saying about Rhino and an accident and all of these things for Puss prayer song that never go nowhere, Rascal. But it's not about me. It's about her and Jiggy. People putting at the comment section, what are you getting about this situation? Boy, me not lie though. It's a hell of a thing when you gotta walk on eggshells when people have control over you, in a sense. You know what I mean? Like how she has control over his stay in America. You feel me? I guess, she signed him to the label. Me don't know. Put down in the comment section and help me out. And help others out as well. You feel what I'm saying? Now, people, the Shauna Chin thing. Yesterday we dropped the video that Shauna Chin, she a suck off Dexta Daps. Sintinin, I didn't know it was Dexta Daps, you know what I mean? I don't want to fantasize about Dexta hoodie. I seen you freaks in my comment section with a perverted mind and things, But we was able to verify that was Shauna Chin based off of the tattoo, and it has been brought to my attention by my social media detective that it was Dexta Daps' woman who put out the video, because the video is old. It was around the time that Dexta Daps and she was moving like they was brothers and sisters. You see what I said? So it's definitely Dexta Daps. You feel what I'm saying, people? But yeah, if you go on the Twitter page, you'll see Dexta Daps in her panties. I said, but that is a whole nother story. You feel me? But I was just giving you these quick updates, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. Because Aronia say you get the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so on the bless upon yourself, you see me? And look out for another one.